Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to Facebook story stop sharing on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Facebook apps, tap on this. Tap on three dot icon. Scroll down little bit. Tap on setting. Next tap on setting. You can see here Meta account center. Tap on this. You can see that sharing across profile. Tap on this option. Next tap on Instagram. Tap on your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.